Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Instagram story music not working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you simply need to search for the Instagram like I'm searching, and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and then you need to open the Instagram application, and then you need to try to you simply need to click on your profile picture on the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings, and then you need to click on account, and here you need to switch to personal account. So as you can see that my account is already personal, but if you are on creator account you are unable to create this, so this issue happens. So after that you simply need to click on this plus icon and create a story. So let me create. Okay, then you need to click on this icon in the top right, and here you can see the music option, and now you can add any music into your story like this and click on done. So here you can see that the music is added now. So this is the process by which you can fix that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.